Hello, turtle family. Bunch of y'all. We don't have no food for you yet, but we gonna get it. We gonna get some for you. Don't worry. We gonna hook you up.
Go get it?
Yeah. We gonna hook you up, turtle family. Look at that one. He way out there by his lonesome. He like, I'm getting away from the crowd. You a loner? Are you a loner? Yeah, I'm talking to you. You don't like to be with your folk, your turtle folk? I made it so large because I was trying to zoom up on the turtles. Giving me a shout, princess. My princess. I'm videoing you. It's a video.
Come, Papa. I can never see them.
Oh, you got some, baby?
There's some underneath the deep. Like,
Okay.
the fish be
I don't want to be dropping by foe. Where's the fish? I don't see them.
They don't come to the top. They just sneak in to take the food. Okay.
Oh, okay. Look at them.
Let me put some in a pocket. We can do it one at a time. Yeah. Y'all can push them through here. Just find them.
The fish eat that too?
You see the fish, babe?
I ain't seen him. You like, I ain't see the fish.
Look at them.
You see the fish?
Yeah, I think I've seen him, but
Oh, that was a full one.
oh yeah, look at him. He's grabbing the food before them.
I don't see the fish.
Yeah, he do it so quick. Watch this. Look at you saw him.
Oh,
You seen him?
wait a minute. You sure it's not the
Taking it from
turtle
the
hanging out
third
under there?
turtle. What a son of a gun.
What a son of a gun. Stop crying, sweetie. There's no reason to cry. It's a beautiful day.
Wow.
Enjoy the day, girl. Don't be crying, carrying no.
Son of a gun.
Where?
But did you actually see the fish? Because
Yeah.
I'm not seeing him.
Well, I don't want to see him because he'll get the food.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see the fish. I just see the...
Look at the ducks are over there on the
Watch
side.
this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to throw one away over there.
I'm trying to see. Huh?
They watch
You ain't
the
see it?
fish.
No. Oh, okay. I just see like a little dimple.
Watch the food. Watch the food.
Right.
Because I'm going to throw it over here.
No, nothing over there.
Well, he's
Still there.
probably like a turtle.
Yeah, he coming for it. He said, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Come on, Terry. Get it. Get it. You missed the food. You don't see it? Here they come. Here they come. Turtle family.
Okay, here we go.
They're not giving the turtle the chance.
I'm surprised that one's still over there.
He got that one. They bumping heads. So two turtles.
You didn't see that fish?
No, I'm not
Okay, here
seeing
we
a
go.
fish at all.
Watch this. Watch
See it
this.
at all now?
No, I must be blind. Look at them. They're
You ain't
all.
see him?
No.
Tell them, Ari.
That's so weird. I'm not
You
seeing
mean
a
to
fish.
tell-
Maybe I'm gonna have to look at my footage later. I'm gonna have to look at my footage later. 'Cause
serious
I'm not.
cat.
Look at him. He on.
Watch the food. Where's that?
Okay. I see the turtles getting it.
Yeah, no. How can you see the turtle but you don't see the fish? Watch this. Now watch the food.
The turtles are getting it.
Well, I wanted to get it, but
Hold on, Naya.
Okay,
Don't
what?
put it in your pocket. That's for the ducks.
I don't see no fish. I don't think the
That's
fish wants me to
amazing.
see it. Every time y'all put it in and y'all tell me to look, I don't see the fish.
okay, watch over here.
I don't know if it's the sunlight. Oh, look at all of those turtles. They fighting.
Just concentrate over here. Just concentrate over there. Just concentrate where the food at.
I don't think they want me to see them.
No, you're gonna see them, but you just ain't looking.
That's crazy. Yep, be out here enjoying the family. My family. My grandbabies, my hubby, my daughter. Today is her born day. That was a fish?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. I heard a bloop. They make noise, huh?
Right, that's when you hear that.
Mm-hmm. They go.
Go to the rock like last.
I heard that, but I didn't see it.
I'm surprised. It was right there. Watch. Watch. Now look. Okay, look over there again. You saw
Okay.
that.
I don't see it. I just see the water percolating. I'm telling you, I don't see the fish. I'm
Man,
so
you need to play that
mad.
back because I can't believe you.
That's why I said I hope I got it
clear
on.
in day. I can't believe it. Wow, Gus. I don't know.
Well, maybe I got it. The footage on.